Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Gmail not receiving verification code. Now to do that, first of all, just open Gmail, then tap on the three lines and go to spam. Now sometimes the verification codes are marked as spam even though they are not. Now from here, just check if your verification code is in the spam section. Now if this did not fix your issue, just go to your home screen and open settings. Now in the search bar, just search Do Not Disturb. Now just tap on Do Not Disturb. Now if Do Not Disturb is enabled on your smartphone, just disable the Do Not Disturb mode. Now after that, just go back, then go to Apps. And in the search bar, just search Gmail. Then go to Permissions and make sure that Gmail has the necessary permissions, especially the permission to the notifications. After that, just go back and go to Storage. Now just tap on Clear Cache. Now just check if this fixes your issue. Now if this did not fix your issue, just open the Control Center, then tap on the Airplane mode. Now just wait for 5 to 6 seconds, then disable Airplane mode. And this is how you can fix Gmail not receiving verification code. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.